What if I told you there are 3 secret Canva apps that can literally reshape reality in your designs? Today, I'm revealing hidden features that 99% of users don't even know exist. If you want to adjust the size of any image, it's literally super easy in Canva. Here's how I do it. First, I duplicate the image. This helps me show a before and after variation later. Now, head over to the Apps section and search for Warp Brush. You'll see this little hash icon. Just click on it. Let's do some Canva magic. Select your image and you'll notice 3 tools inside: Warp, Grow, and Shrink. Let's start with Warp. Before you begin, adjust your brush size and brush strength. You can actually see the effect live on your image. Now, I'll move the hand slightly. See that? The hand just shifted naturally. Let's fine-tune the dress area a bit too. Okay, next up, the Grow tool. Increase the brush size and give it a single click. Wow, see how that part of the image just expanded? You can literally grow any area you want. Super handy for creative photo effects. And finally, the Shrink tool. This one does the exact opposite of Grow. It compresses or reduces that area of your image. So together, these tools let you reshape, resize, or even stylize your subject easily in Canva. Now, check out both images side by side. Notice the difference? Pretty cool, right? Are you learning new Canva tricks today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Lighting can completely transform your image. Do you agree? Let's find out. All right, let's jump in. Head to the Apps section and type Light Lab. Now, click on the little bulb icon, and there you go. You'll see a range of preset lighting effects ready to try. Pick any effect you like and hit Add Light Effect. Gorgeous, right? Now here's the fun part. You can adjust each color individually and move it in different directions. For example, I'm placing a soft blue tone right in the center of the image to make it pop. Let's explore another preset. This one looks cool. Adjust the lighting again until it blends naturally with your photo. You can even add new colors for more creative results. Let's add one more. I'm going with a pink to neon effect this time. Now, let's try another combo. A blue light on the top left corner, another blue highlight on the shoulder, and a touch of green light on the top right corner. Beautiful. Now, let's compare the image with and without lighting. See the difference? The image instantly feels more vibrant and cinematic. To enhance the look and mood of photos, watch this video to learn how to use color grading. Do you want to transform your image into a completely new perspective? Well, this Canva feature is just perfect for that. Let's get started. Go to the Apps section and type Transform Image. Click the first icon, and once it opens, upload the image you want to transform. For this example, I'm using a cricket pitch. Now, click the preview image and drag the top part upward. See that? You can shift and stretch the image to create a cool 3D perspective effect. Once you're happy with the angle, click Add to Design. Now, let's build the full composition. Place the transformed image at the bottom of the frame and zoom it in to fit the screen perfectly. Next, it's time to add our subject. The god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. I'll drag one Sachin image to the left and another to the right, creating that perfect balanced look. Now let's add one more Sachin image in the center to really make the poster pop. Adjust the position slightly until it feels dynamic. For the background, I'll add a cricket stadium at the top to give it a more realistic, energetic vibe. Perfect. Now position all subject images properly so they blend into the background. Time for the text. Choose the Zoom Rough font. Type Sachin in bold letters, increase the size, and apply a stroke effect. Place it right at the center, aligning with the middle image. Duplicate that text, and this time, type the legend. Change the color to blue to match the design tones. Finally, let's do a quick color grading. Enhance both the background and Sachin's images for a dramatic finish. And there you go. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just a simple, creative poster made in Canva. And there you have it. 3 game-changing Canva features that will transform your design workflow forever. Which effect impressed you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this tutorial helped level up your Canva skills, smash that like button and subscribe for more hidden Canva secrets. Until next time, keep creating amazing designs.